Hey, folks. Old BLG here, and welcome back to yet another episode of Hands On with BLG. Hey, y'all. BLG. And I'm Lefty. And I'm Righty. In today's episode, we're going to experiment. We're going to get stupid, find out what happens. We're going to make attempted. Never tried this one, folks. We're going to try to make Biddle honey candies, the little taffy candies. So what we need for that, got a wooden spoon. I'm just going to start from over here because we're going to be right next to you on the stove. Right now. In just a short time. I've got a digital scale. 2 ounces of almond paste. How's that for weird shit? I've never seen that before. Okay. We got ourselves cup and a half powdered milk, dry milk. We have in the pot here 1 cup granulated white sugar, just plain old sugar. And we got a little bear boo-boo full of honey. This is the bit, honey part, the honey part of the bit. I'm guessing the almond paste and sugar are the bit part. I don't know. We're going to find out. I have my old not trusty candy thermometer. I'm going to give it another try. This goes up to it's going to go to a soft crack temperature of about 275 degrees or so, 280. But I also have my little stick thermometer thing for when it's cooling off and stuff, I guess, allegedly. Oh, I have, pretend this is a glass mixing bowl. It's the old lady's punch bowl thing. That's all I could find. I guess I could use a big plastic mixing bowl, but the guys that I was watching recommended glass. I hope it's big enough. I don't think it is. In fact, I'm going to switch this out to my big plastic one just in case. I don't think that's going to be big enough by any means after looking at all this milk. So we're going to rewind here. And we're going to go with a large mixing bowl plastic because that's pretty much all I got. We'll see if I ruins it or not. It didn't for the dude on TV. Anything else? We need a fog machine. We need you guys to cheer me on. Woohoo! Go BLG! Go BLG! Woo, woo, woo! Don't fuck up! Yay, team! Thanks, guys. Thanks. I really appreciate that. I really do. Here we go. I'm going to put this pot on the stove over here, get you going. In fact, I think I'm going to do this back here on this other burner for you, so I'm not right in your friggin' face. I'm going to do it on this burner over here. This is a big one anyway. We are. And you got that. And right away it says putting in the almond paste. I'm going to bust it up. He didn't. Whatever, a guy I watched. But I'm going to bust it up. I'm just thinking I'm going to let this roll as long as it's going to take. I can edit it, cut out parts that I don't need later, possibly. We'll see. There we go. We got the almond paste. We're going to add this whole bear. Hey, boo-boo. Want a picnic basket? We'll dump this whole bear of honey in here. Dump, dump, dump. Get in the pot. I don't think I'm going to wait all friggin' day for this. Just kind of shake it, spinning around. That would make it spun honey. Ooh. You sling this bad boy round and round, kick it in the face and throw it down. There we go. 1 bear full of honey. I'm going to pitch this. Get it out of my face. Get it out of my face. Now what we do, allegedly, we're going to kick this on medium heat, which I'm going to guess is about, I'm going to go with about 5. on my stove. Medium, not quite halfway or halfway, 5 or 6. What do I want? I'm going to go with 6. I'm going to go with my instinct. Turn this on to 6. Front. Not high. No, dumbass. We're going to go to about 6. And you're supposed to stir this up, round and around, get it all blended. We'll find out. Oh, one other thing I do have, though. I forgot. I have an 8x8 baking dish lined with foil and greased. That's where the final product lands to cool a little bit. Back to stir. Where's ow? Them little sharp bastards stick in here pretty damn good. We get this down in here, Basically, just inside the conde. There I can see it too. See, another thing, most of the time when I'm using this thing, it's like a regular thermometer, and I can't see those too well. The little red mercury inside and stuff. Because it usually is fogging and steaming like a bastard. And I can't got that good a vision anyway. But anyways, I've got it in here. Like I said, we're shooting for about 275, I think. Let me look. I think it is. Yeah, 275 to 280. They call that the soft crack stage. La, la, la. Better have one of these ready. One of these ready. Well, we're not at 250. We're at 240. I mean, getting there quick. It's climbing pretty fast here, folks. It's foaming just like the picture showed. Oh, boy. But what we got to do after this, see, we got to run in here, let it get up there, and we pour it in that big bowl, or we let it cool off in this pan, or something like that. I'll read it when we get that stage. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. I've never done this before. Hopefully it comes out like Biddle Honey's, nice and chewy, taffy-like, I hope. All right, folks. Now we're approaching 250, it looks like. I'm moving around all weird and stuff because I can't see the stupid little... I mean, it's not fogged up or nothing. I just have a hard time seeing that little red line. We're getting there. Moving it around, keeping it moving. Come on, baby, don't fail me. I'm taking that off. I'm not taking the chance. I'm going to say that's close enough. All this over here. I'm jumping you over here. Whee! Okay, now I'm going to take this. I'm going to take one more look. And I'm going to say that is right. So we're going to take this and put it in this bowl. Hopefully it's not going to tear everything the hell up. Get in there. Pour this in the bowl. Like this. It looks awfully dark to me. Like I said, I don't trust these stupid little candy thermometer. But we got what we got. There she goes, and this goes in the sink. Now it's in the bowl. We want to let this cool down for a little while to it gets down to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. That's from 270. That's why I've got this little thing here. This will read 180 real easy. I'm going to stir this a little bit too. We're hoping this doesn't set up into hard candy again. Damn it. Hope it don't do it. I just took a little sample. Took right in between my teeth immediately. There we go. All right. So we're looking for, let this cool off. I think he said this takes about 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to get me a true reading on this thing. I'll probably be able to let you pause for a little while. Okay, folks. That's 180 degrees. So do a little bit of this at a time. That's what the guy did anyway. And work it in. You want to get as much of it worked in as you can. Mix it, stir it. Looks a little weird. Gritty like, but what do you expect? It's homemade conde. I hope. It's either that or we made a big bowl of crap. It's almost as mixed as it's going to get anyway. Look at this. It just sticks right to the spoon. I think we got what we're going to get, folks. I don't know. I can't stir it. Mayday, mayday. Okay, that's mixed up pretty good, I'm going to say. So I'm going to lump this out of here into the pan. And there's going to be some left of the powdered dry milk stuff. It was on him too. So as long as you got the candy part, the conde mix, that actually looks like a better color now. More like the real shit. Get over here. Try to get just this part. The good stuff. Over here. Like that. I'm not even going to screw with the rest of that. Get off of me. Put the rest of this in here, hopefully. Hopefully. Oh my God. You people that do this all the time must be half nuts, I guess. It's a workout, man. Okay. So now I got to try to get it to stick in here. He just kind of used his fingers. Smushed it around. Yeah, that's about like he showed. Smush it around and try to get it in the bottom of your pan. Not too thick, I guess. Smush it around. Try to get to the corners. Work it to the corners. Work it to the corners. BLG, you have to make this work. I'm trying, folks. I'm trying. Now's the time where you can start, like, shearing and stuff. And we're going to the finish line here, folks. It's getting there. I've almost actually got this looking pretty decent in here. I don't know why or how. Mash it down so it's all compressed together. All compressed together. It's hot. But that's what we want right here. This time right here, this is exactly what we're looking for. I hope. That's kind of what it's getting my hopes up, folks. Look at this. That's looking like conde. Yes. Okay, now it's got it like this. Kind of smushed out and about the same thickness all the way across like that. Now, good God, that's a workout. I'm going to wash my hands. Give me some of this friggin' soap. I can't get over here quickly because I got the cord for this in the way. And I probably, having thought about it, oh, there we go. I probably should have washed my other dishes from supper last night. I got a whole sink full of crap over there today. That's very rare for old BLG. We want 110 to 120 degrees. Turn you back on. I'm going to stick you here. Right? That's 107, 111. Okay, so we got a little bit of cool-off time. It's at 119, 120. So once it gets down to 110-ish, somewhere to 120 degrees, we're going to dump this out. And we're going to use, I guess, a pizza cutter. That's what he used, which is, I saw it this morning, right here, to cut our little shapes. So we're going to let this cool off, and I'll be right back. I'm telling you what, am I going? Yeah. I accidentally clicked the wrong thing and shut down my camera. Oh my God. I thought I lost the old footage. I didn't. I'm going to be able to splice this together, I think. It'll be my first time splicing two videos. But what I'm doing here, it got to 110. The pizza cutter didn't work. I got Mr. Reliable. And I'm cutting little chunks out of my little bits of honey. Just little bite-sized pieces. Yep. Trying to keep them somewhat uniform here. And so far, it's going well, I guess. Got a ways to go. But I'm going to zap this and continue cutting. And then I prayed, will be able to come right back to you and show you the finished results. Oh, this is what it looks like taking it out of the pan. A nice little sheet. Yep. So I'll see you guys back here probably in about 2 minutes. Well, folks, there we go. It appears to have worked for a change. It tastes like the Biddle Honey Candies. I'm eating one right now. Well, BLG is. Watch, I can eat one, but it falls right through. Nope. Tastes good, though. There they are. Look at that. There they are. They're just drying off to room temperature and stuff. Yep. Yeah, I reckon you could take some wax paper and wrap each one of them and stuff. I might do that just for something to do later, but for now, there they are, folks. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm sorry I'm eating, but they're chewy, just like the real stuff. So we'll see you next time. Bye, ciao. On the next episode of Hands On with BLG. For BLG, I'm BLG. That's this guy right here. Hi. I'm Lefty. I'm Righty. See you right back here for the next episode, folks. Bye.